Great news. Princess has introduced some brand new features to the Ocean Medallion. This includes safety as well as fun, convenient features. I'm going to give you all the details that you need in this video up ahead. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be talking about, well, all of the great things about Ocean Medallion, but even if you've cruised before with Ocean Medallion, you are going to want to watch this because we're looking at all of the enhancements that Princess has made or will be making as they are outfitting the entire fleet, yes, the entire fleet, with the Medallion Class technology. So we're going to talk about what embarkation is going to be like, the new procedures, as well as the conveniences that you'll have throughout the cruise. Now, before I get started, I wanted to mention, if you do like this video, if you find it helpful or informative in any way, then please do give the video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And of course, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. So Ocean Medallion has been around for a couple of years. However, not all of the cruise ships had it, so you may or you may not have already sailed with it. But basically what this is instead of a cruise card, Princess has the Ocean Medallion, and it really is kind of a disc. And what the disc will do is it will act as your cruise card to open your door. It will act as your identification when you get on and off the ship, and it will even help to basically facilitate the purchases that you want to make on the cruise ship. It basically is your identification. Now, when you get on the cruise ship, you will have your medallion and they will give you a lanyard. So if you want to wear it like this, you certainly can. There's some ways to personalize this and have different accessories. And some of the accessories include like a wristband. Personally, I really like this. It's waterproof. You can wear it in the water if you like, but otherwise there's some beautiful necklaces and different things that you can personalize. So you can look online on Princess's website, or you can even buy these things once you are already on the ship. Now let's talk about the important stuff, which is how the Ocean Medallion is going to work for embarkation to start with as we resume cruising. Step one, before you even get to embarkation day, the first thing that you're going to do is at home is you'll download the Medallion Class app onto your phone or onto your computer at home. And really, it's very similar to online check-in. You'll just fill in all of your information and you will choose a time to show up at embarkation day. So there really will be staggered embarkation, and that is, of course, for safety purposes so that we don't have those big crowds altogether. So when you show up at embarkation, what you'll do is you'll still go through your security check. You'll still show your passports and other ID, and then you will have a PCR test. You'll have to wait for the test results to come back, and after that, you'll be able to board easily. Now, something just to mention is that Carnival Cruises has had experience with this procedure generally with Costa that has been cruising in Europe. So this is how we know a little bit how this is going to work. Now, something really interesting is if you don't want to use your phone when you're on the cruise, you don't actually have to. You can, of course, it could be very convenient, but you can actually use all of the technology of the Medallion Class app with just that little disc. You won't need anything else, and you can leave your phone if you like in your safe. Number two, the safety or the muster drill. Now, this is where we have probably one of the biggest changes. There is no longer going to be a muster drill where we all have to gather together. So now when you embark on the cruise ship, you can go directly to your muster station if you like. You just have to check in with a crew member there, and you'll have to watch the safety video that is available, and you can either watch it on your phone or you can watch it in your stateroom on the TV. So the crew members will know that you've done this so that everybody has at least gone through these safety procedures. Now, the captain is actually still going to make an announcement across the whole ship, but this is going to make embarkation day even easier for everybody. Number three, enhanced conveniences beyond what they already had. So in the past, we already had keyless entry to our cabins. That is still happening, but as well, we now have a way to avoid the lineups on cruise ships. So one of these things is that if you have things that you want to request, you can actually do that on your phone or your stateroom TV. So this could be anything from pillows and towels maybe that you want from your stateroom attendant, but it can also be things like you have a question for the shore excursion desk. So you can do all of that from your stateroom TV or your phone. Much more convenient. Number 4. Now this is, I know, going to be one of my very favorite things, and this is that there is an expanded bar menu and food menu on the app so that you can order many, many foods to be brought to you anywhere on the cruise ship. So whether you want to maybe eat on your own balcony or in your stateroom, that's definitely a possibility. Food can be brought to you beyond the room service menu, by the way. But maybe you want to order food and you want to sit at the pool deck or at the aft pool. Anywhere on the cruise ship, you can actually do this. And the interesting thing about this is that you can order from your stateroom TV. Maybe you want to order a hamburger and french fries and a beer, but maybe you don't want to stay in your stateroom anymore. Maybe you want to go up to the pool deck and you want to maybe meet your wife or meet your husband. Well, you can do that, and a crew member will actually find you there. Now, how will they know you're there? Well, because you have the Ocean Medallion, and that is your identification, and they can see you. So that is really the benefit of that technology. Number 5, the ability to order merchandise right on the app. Now, this one actually blew me away. If you're by the pool and you realize that you need some sunscreen, for instance, you can actually order it and it will be charged directly to your medallion, and a crew member will actually bring it up to you. Can you imagine that level of service that you can order merchandise now? Now, just something to mention, if you do want to check your account, just make sure that all the purchases are okay. You can definitely look at that on your account, on your phone, on your stateroom TV, and of course, you can still go to guest services if you need to. Number 6. Well, what about reserving shows? We've heard quite a lot about that as for how the new procedures are going to work. So you're going to be able to actually reserve for activities, for shows on the app, and you can either do that through the portals that are available on the ship, through your stateroom TV, or of course on your mobile phone or your mobile device. And you can do that in advance if you like when you're on the ship. And you can also even take a look and sort of get a bit of a live idea of how full a venue is, just in case you do want to maybe not be in a crowd, whether it's for safety reasons or for other reasons even. So very, very convenient. Now, before we get into some new safety features of the Ocean Medallion, I did want to mention a couple of the things that are already, well, that were already rolled out as part of Ocean Medallion that are just really so good and worth mentioning. So this is the ability to keep in touch with people that are either in your cabin or in your party, or even new friends. So with the Find Your Shipmates part of the app, what you can do is you can actually see where people are that are, well, in your cabin or part of your party. And so if you are cruising with kids, or maybe your husband or your wife, and they've gone off somewhere and you just kind of want to know where you can meet them, you can actually see where they are on the cruise ship. And you can actually look from either the portal or on your phone or your device, and you can even get a little map, almost like a little GPS map, to see where they are. Very, very convenient. I've used this myself and I've loved it. Now, as well, if you meet new friends, you can even message with your new friends by entering their information into your phone. And of course, the people that are in your own party, you can message between phones as well. So no worries about using any data if you don't want to do that, or using walkie-talkies. That is all something of the past because you can message each other on your phone. Number 8, contact tracing technology. So this is something that the Ocean Medallion has. And of course, it's not something we want to think about because we hope that nothing happens while we are cruising. But if there was a case where somebody was diagnosed on the cruise ship, what they are able to do is they're able to see who was around that person within a certain vicinity. So within a certain amount of feet, for instance, how long people were exposed, and they're able to contact those passengers right away. And they're really able to kind of mitigate the potential spread. So this is something really, really important as cruises do resume for the next little while in 2021. Number 9, enhanced entertainment options are part of the app. So whether it's casino play because you enjoy that, well, that is something that you can do. Instead of having to go down to the casino, you can play in your cabin, you can play on your balcony, you can play casino games on the pool deck. That is all something that you can do without having to go into a crowded casino. As well, and something I guess it's a little bit different, but there are also different entertainment options for kids and, well, people of all ages. So that includes some of the original programming that is all something on Ocean Medallion. Very, very cool. So this is called Ocean View, and you can actually, I found out that you can download this to your phone and you can look at some of the original programming while you're not even on the cruise ship. There's actually some really good programming. One of the ones that I found is called Vacations Creations, and that looks like it's kind of a reality show where they're making somebody's dream come true on a cruise. Very, very cool. So I do suggest that if you need a cruise fix right now, that you do download the app, and then after that, the Medallion Class app, then after that, check out Ocean View, because you can actually stream shows right to your phone while you're not even on a cruise ship. Now, in addition to that, there are games that you can play on a cruise for kids and for people of all ages, and that is all part of the Ocean Medallion app. Number 10, last but not least, is Medallion Net, some of the very best internet at sea. Now, while this is not something new, if you haven't yet cruised on a Medallion Class ship, this will be new for you. So I did think it was really worth mentioning. Now, the internet is really quite good, and you can get a Wi-Fi package with unlimited internet at sea. Now, do check out the different options. There's an option for 1 device or up to 4 devices. And for those of you that are Platinum or Elite members, yes, there is a discount for you as well. So do check that out. So I hope that this video all about the Ocean Medallion updates was helpful. Now, I'd love to know from you what features you like the most, what things you think that you are going to like as you do get back on a Princess ship. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below as well. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And of course, please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'd love to have you here. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cruising.